Hey all, welcome. Thought I'd do a little video on what we just saw. The announcement of the new Doctor Who, Jodie Whittaker, the 13th Doctor. Alright, so first off, I've only seen her in one thing, which was Broadchurch's first series of it, and she was brilliant in there. She played Beth Latimer, the mother of the murdered child, and so I thought she was great in that, so I have no complaints about her acting ability. We've seen from previous Doctors, actors that they've chosen well. There's no doubt about their acting, so I expect no difference here. And so that's all that matters really with her. Her ability to properly bring forth the story, and her interactions with her chemistry with whichever companion she's going to get. And so as long as she knocks it out of the park, then I'm totally on board. What really matters is what new showrunner Chris Chibnall does. He's the main factor here, not the new Doctor. The new Doctor is just going to bring her new little differences than what we had from Capaldi. Capaldi starting as a Doctor, so as long as I like what she does, it'll be great. And let's all remember though that the first showrunner of Doctor Who was a woman, Verity Lambert. So this show has always been groundbreaking, and that the first Indian director of the show in that first season, the first series, Waris Hussain. So, and also, let's not forget Delia Derbyshire, who along with Don Green brought forth the theme music of the first few seasons of the show. So she brought out that first iconic theme music. So this show has always been about breaking new grounds, been about testing new things, experimentation. So as long as they experiment and it goes well, then that's the main factor here. That's all that matters. And I have great trust in these guys that they know what they're doing. Sure, you may disagree on the quality. Quality is always subjective, so it's a TV show and it's about an alien who time travels and we've seen it coming for a while with the Master and the Doctor's mention of Isra and the Corsair during Matt Smith's run. So this has been coming. It was always going to happen. It was inevitable. Better to just let it happen and let's see her do a great job. Have a great one. Bye.